Hi! Are you ready for a cool assignment? Okay, here is the assignment question for you. Imagine there are players and you are going to divide them into two groups. If the player picks number 1, the player would go to the yellow team. And if the player picks number 2, then he would go to the red team. And if the player gets any other number, he would be allowed to join any team. Can you write a program for this? So, what will you do? Create an integer variable first to store the number. So, how do we write it? Let us go to Python and write. Number is equal to 1. And now, can you check if the number is equal to 1 first? So, we write the condition. If number is equal to 1 and this is true, the print statement to be printed is you go to yellow team. Now check for the next condition. So use Elif to check if the number is equal to 2. If the condition is true, then write the print statement to print you go to red team. We have one more condition, right? So when these two conditions become false, we should print you can join any team. So let us put them in the else block and write the print statement for it. So now when we save the file and run the code, we get the output as you go to yellow team. Try out this simple assignment and submit your code. And we are very much excited to see it. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.